Femtonics is a manufacturer of two-photon laser scanning microscopy, which is a laser scanning technology spiced with quantum mechanical effect, the two-photon effect, enabling deep precision imaging of the tissue while minimizing photo damage. We nurture a specialist research and development team staffed with highly qualified engineers and tasked with developing innovative, high-tech products. The R&D team collaborates closely with our industrial scientists experienced in applied research for scientific and technological fields, collectively facilitating all product development for the future. Femtonics manufactures unique, custom-designed 2D systems and has pioneered the introduction of real-time 3D imaging technology to the market. Tuned for the fastest 2D and 3D optical measurements, our range of microscopes are especially suited for cutting-edge brain research and pharmaceutical development. The flagship product is our Femto 3D acousto-optic microscope, the first ultra-fast 3D two-photon microscope on the market. The microscope is capable of scanning neuronal, dendritic, and other neuropil activities about 1 million times faster as compared to previous realizations within a large, about a cubic millimeter, scanning volume with preserved two-photon resolution. The use of fast electrically controlled lenses in combination with an easy-to-use 3D data acquisition software package provides maximal flexibility in fast selection of regions of interest with high speed and controlling of measurements. Using electrically tunable lenses, the Femto 3D can focus the excitation point with up to 53 kHz speed to any 3D location under the objective without mechanical restrictions, reaching sub-millisecond temporal resolution in a millimeter Z-dimensional scanning range. The modular nature of each Femtonics microscope allows for the possibility of building unique, custom-designed microscopes. Our custom-designed concept enables the unique ability to present customers a flexibility and freedom tailoring their own microscopes according to their research visions and specific scientific objectives, shaping their ideas into remarkable innovation and discovery. Our standard configurations contain galvanometric, resonant, and acousto-optic scanners, high-sensitivity detectors, and all essential parts for the microscope. Besides the core components, Femtonics provides a broad range of accessories to perfectly tailor the imaging system for any specific needs and budget. Specialist extensions such as the tilting objective, which provides a higher level of freedom in positioning the objective, thereby being primarily useful for in vivo experiments, intravital imaging, and deep brain imaging in rodents or non-human primates. When faced with challenges, customers rely on Femtonics for scientific expertise to enhance an existing product, improve process efficiencies, or uncover a solution that helps launch a microscope for market innovation. Our goal is to leverage Femtonics research and development capabilities to generate distinctive value through new, improved products and innovative ways to reduce cost. Custom-designed microscopes allow suitability for a wide variety and unique range of biological applications. Microscopes in Femto Smart series include the Femto S Galvo, Femto S Resonant, and Femto S Dual microscopes. Taking into account widespread scope of research, we offer cutting-edge solutions with compact device packages for dendritic imaging, uncaging, optogenetics experiments, and behavioral studies. The Femtonics flagship chemistry product, DNI Glue TFA, a high quantum yield cage glutamate for uncaging. We provide a range of services for system-level configuration of complete laboratories, shipping all necessary components. a unique service of laboratory arrangements for the highly robust and complex instruments, keeping in mind space constraints, performance, environment, and accessibility of location. Besides ensuring full functionality for shipped microscopes, our experienced staff help discover and eliminate all sorts of factors that might hinder measurements, such as mechanical vibration or electrical noise not related to the microscope. Our techniques enable investigation of living cells and tissues and the operation of neuronal networks in living animals. We are striving for this technology's soonest introduction in human medicine. The goal is to find solutions in the field of medical diagnostics and human therapies. The aim, for instance, is to use the technology for treatment of epilepsy, or seek out solutions that limit the impact of certain diseases, such as restoring vision to the blind, or understanding Alzheimer's and other neurological illnesses. Our collaboration partners and customers around the world perform cutting-edge research with Femtonics microscopes. The research aim is to reveal neuronal assemblies, network dynamics, characterizations of spines and synapses, which are backgrounds of perception, learning, and memory formation processes. The possibilities of functional imaging in deep tissues have opened new doors to studies of organs, such as the kidney in living animals, with high spatial-temporal resolution. We facilitate the analysis of complex biological actions and are adapting our various technological devices for optimal research capabilities. Electrophysiology, network and dendritic imaging, optogenetics, uncaging, behavioral studies, GCAM6 imaging, and axonal measurements. Software is a key element to get more from your hardware or from your measurement data. Accurate data insights are imperative, with analytics of highly complex information. Femtonics microscopes are controlled and complemented by our modular measurement control and analysis software package, MES, written in the MATLAB and MES-C designed in C++ programming language. Both programs were developed based on the day-to-day lab experiences in the field of cellular and network imaging. Femtonics prides itself on its ability to provide the researchers around the globe a new concept of three-dimensional imaging. The exploration in this field has been nothing less than an ordeal in itself, and our team is highly confident in the direction we pioneer. Our objective is to raise the standards of imaging three-dimensional structures and assist and support dedicated professionals in fascinatingly complex research fields. We built the first microscope series around 2007, one which microscopes is still working in one of our laboratories. The other ones were sold to well-known researchers. In 2009, we sold a microscope in Berlin, and from that point on, the dream started becoming a reality. Sales and distribution all over the world. Femtonics, advanced microscopy.